Bro, this leads to an apartment? What just happened? It's Sewer Dad back again with another video. And today we're exploring the fucking post office thing. At least that's what I think it is, which is right here. And oh shit, already got an entrance. Oh, but I'll come back to when we're over there.
I can't see shit. I'm Julio. I'm Nelly.
There it is.
I mean, it's already vandalized.
That is true.
And if it does, you just go all the way over there. I'm not scared.
Do a kickflip.
I can't do shit. Hi. Fuck.
Ooh, a telephone.
Ain't no. Okay, buddy. Damn, bro. Somebody, wait. Somebody grab my light. Somebody grab my light.
No, that shit's scary.
Probably my.
Guys,
Cause I brought two
I
lights.
was gonna bring my light, but I was like, no, I never
Oh,
use it.
Penis Ford.
Look at.
Why don't drink?
Stop.
No, why does my mom literally has a penis bottle?
What?
She literally has a penis bottle.
Dude, I want one of those.
Oh, what the fuck is a penis bottle?
It's shaped as a penis and you can put drinks in it.
Cunt.
That's
The
cool.
fuck? Stop calling me a cunt. Fucking
Autism Among Us.
Dude, why you so loud?
I wonder if anybody had sex here.
If you are homeless, I will fucking shoot you. Don't kill me.
Oh yes, we love the vibe.
Whoa, look, what's that?
Bro, I feel like this roof is gonna collapse.
Like it?
Look at that shit.
Insulation. Oh. I love men. Faggot. What's in here?
Is anybody here?
That's a spider web.
Oh, nothing.
You could just look from right here.
Yeah, bro. Why would you?
Oh my gosh, it's the thing that it's yummy. Dude, no, dude.
That looks like flesh.
That looks like candy. It's cotton candy.
Oh,
How do you turn your flash?
damn, is that shit?
Where?
I don't know, right there.
That's cool.
Wait, where the stairs at?
I don't know, but that's what we're trying to find.
I think that's what we just did. It took us up here because the entrance we tried to go in was up here. Remember?
Oh, I think so. This is the bottom part only.
So this is like.
What is it?
Among Us trying to make God. Among Us.
Little mercy on your soul. Man, this is pretty fucking hot.
Dude.
Oh, what just happened? No, there's no.
Shut up, nigga.
And we're going upstairs.
Devil.
Wait, is this something here?
I don't know, being out of it is here.
Holy shit.
There's light here. I'm scared.
Light?
There's what?
Oh, a light in there?
It's okay, we don't bite.
Oh no, let's see where. Oh, it's
no.
just from outside.
This is from outside.
Yeah.
Okay, then let me go there. What do you want, man?
Explore over there first. Oh my god.
Well, let's go top to bottom.
Okay, let's go.
Man, this place is something else.
Julio.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good boy. Oh man. God damn.
Look where my head's pointing.
David doesn't do hugs. That's my brother's name. Wait, what the fuck?
Why your better here?
Yo, I was
There's apartments nearby.
Yo, I was about to fucking say, what was that shit?
Let me do the, what all you guys be doing.
I be dodging from the hood, that's what I'm posted in the turf. He's a fly young.
It's probably the people outside.
I think that was a Mogus that
Nah, that sounds like someone's pounding each other.
Stop being a little bitch.
I thought he was talking to Julio.
I know. I was like, why
Yo, what's in here?
dude, I don't need a bitch.
What the fuck, dude?
I can't even hook one for a mouth.
Yes, you can.
My bad.
Just not gonna open, Ramiro. Well,
Dude, I thought you were gonna. What's her name? I said, what's her name?
Oh,
not
shit.
What's his name?
yo, it's all of the thingies.
We were just in there.
We were? Damn, that shit's fucking rusted as hell. Looks like a beat up orange. What is that?
Yeah, we were just in here.
Oh yeah, how we were.
You guys are bizarre, though.
Yo, like move the thing, move the thing.
Dude, I smell good.
Yo, what the fuck? That shit actually still works.
Well, I'll tell it. Watch it trigger an alarm.
I would not want that. And Daniel over here is tweaking.
And he's been on his fucking phone the whole time. Pinche llamadas. Can you call it later? Yeah.
Dude, okay.
Balls.
What do you-
Anyway,
what do you
I think
want?
That was balls.
Oh!
What do you want me to do? Give you a cookie? Like, the fuck?
Alright guys, that's the fucking end of the video. And now we're gonna I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna do, but later!